Well, hello people. I'm going to show you my tugboat here. First, got the paint can, and we got to paint a repair. What I did was I had to sand right here to make it flush and level because I made my boat not knowing that I shouldn't make a boat that goes in the water out of plywood. Not knowing this would have helped, but using the plywood base, it's just easier. So after it warped because of the water seeping in, if you will, she's buggered. So seems like I'll move the camera here just so you get the angle. This side will bulge out. You can see the seam. So I have to sand it. I don't know if that shows on camera, but right here, see how it's coming this way? It's almost round. So to solve this, I need a solid piece of pine, jointed, planed, you know, the heart and bark, all that stuff. That's what I think. Or I can not worry about it and just let it go. But it's hard to let it go. We're gonna come over to the other side. This side, oh, I just kicked the camera. Sorry about that. This side, I think you can see it really well. Let me put this brush right there. See how it, this is wet paint right here. But do you see the bulge there? Because of the plywood on top. And then you can really see the line right there. It goes all the way down. Like all the way down. It's not crucial. There, you can really see it there now. I'll put my finger in there, right there where it starts. Put an inch down. It's not crucial. We'll survive. Anyway, here's the top piece. Cooler. Right there. Boat. Here, let's see if I can bring it right into the cab. We don't want to hit the life raft. We just slide the door over. There. Sliding door right into the cab with the captain's chair. Still a green piece of tape there. I don't know if you saw that or not. Oh, there I go. I hit the camera again. Slide, you. There you go. Slide the door. Come around this table. And pretty cool. Look at that shot. That's neat. There's the front. That'd be the engine room. Over. Should have moved everything off the table, I guess, first, but no biggie. Another ladder to get up there. And then this portion here, this lifts up. So it comes in 3-4 parts. The roof comes off as well. Of course, it never gets locked in. There you go, we're locked. Like so. And come back around. We got the mirrors on there. See the mirror? But anyway, just thought I'd show the Big Pushy. Oh, I should show the why it's called Big Pushy Smokestacks. Name on it, life rings, both sides. Big Pushy. 1977. Yeah, I'm pretty good at wheeling around on a computer chair. 1977 pusher tugboat. Like so. Let's go underneath. Plywood there. Table. It's just pieces of wood. And one thing I've never shown is the detail that I'm quite proud of. But let's get right in there. Like that. But I don't know if you can see right here where my finger is. So not this piece, but this piece here. Whatever you would call that. Let me zoom in. But in behind, water can... There, look at that. Water can get behind there. And it's on every one. All the way down. And on this side, of course. Now the big one here. Probably a pretty good view, but I'll zoom in on that. But even the big one right there. Stick my finger in there. Right in there. Water can get in behind that one. In behind that one. That's just a cool little detail. And then, where are we here? Brass rod. Soldered, brazed it, sorry. Brazed the rod. Learned how to do that. Let me zoom out here. Ooh. And we got wipers on her now. Very cool. That's the front of the boat. Like I said, in the corner here, got the mirrors. I thought that was a cool little touch. So that's what we put on this year. Was the mirrors. Each year you put on something, and then the life preserver, life ring. And that's about it. See if we can see that. Yeah, see the delamination of the plywood. We sand it, we just coat the paint on her. Like they would the real thing. If you could picture the boys painting this thing. There's the inside. I've probably never shown that. Inside, I have a 5-pound weight, and that's enough weight to keep it level. It's screwed in dowel, and then the screw underneath is not noticeable. This thing here is a mooring, kind of like the ones at the back corner. I have the one on there. That hooks to a rope, to a cinder block, basically keeps this stable. The cooler portion stays in here. You add ice to the cooler. The ice vents up, goes underneath here. There's holes. This is where you keep the beer, and there's a door at the back. So it's not an operational tugboat. I mean by there's no propellers or motors. That was the plan, but we had to finish it quick. Let me show you the underneath here. There you go. Hooks on with some of these suckers. I've got enough rope there to do some damage. This piece was added last summer to because of the swelling. It would widen out. So when the top sat on, this side there's a lip here. It slides along this. This side there's a lip on that thing. Slides back here and locks via magnets. So once it slides in, locked, it's there. Water can't get in. So on this side there's one of these trim pieces. If I can show that or not. Like that. But anywho, I'll probably end the video here. Just wanted to show you Big Pushy. Quite proud of it. Took me not that long to build. It's of course all balsa wood, very light up top, like this whole piece here. It's balsa. Strips of pine, certain thickness, but with a balsa top. And this here is plywood. So plywood bottom, balsa top, pretty light. Pretty light. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for caring. If you made it this far, I do appreciate you. And have a good day. I'm probably going to post another video shortly of this thing in the water. So stay tuned. And of course, this beast over here just installed, where's my finger? Right there, the air tank. So she can go down. Anyway, that didn't sound that great. Anyway, thanks for watching. Jimmy's World, out.